Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the exercise question answers from chapter number 6, class 7 geography, elements of weather and climate. I have provided the inside question answers from this chapter in the previous video. If you have missed, then please check out the description box. You will find those videos from there. There are 4 parts from inside question answers, so please check out. Okay, so let's start the exercise question answers from this chapter. Okay, so at first we have some objectives. Number A, fill in the blanks. Number 1, weather is the general atmospheric condition of a day. Number 2, air blows from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Number 3, the atmosphere of air decreases from the equator towards the poles. Number 4, a cyclone is an area of low pressure surrounded by high pressure. Number 5, precipitation is more on the windward side of the hill. Next one, number B, match the following. Number 1, planetary winds matched with number E, the westerlies. Number 2, variable winds matched with number D, cyclone. Number 3, local winds matched with number C, Chinook. Number 4, periodic winds matched with number B, land and sea breeze. Number 5, precipitation matched with number A, cyclonic rainfall. Next one, number C, true or false. Number 1, air pressure is affected by the temperature of the atmosphere. Number 2, torrid zone receives minimum insolation. Number 3, humidity is measured using an instrument called barometer. False. Number 4, lighter air is heavy and exerts greater pressure. False. Number 5, the anticyclone brings fine weather and clear skies. True. Okay, next we have some question answers. So let's start. Okay, at first in number D, answer the questions in brief. Number 1, what is atmospheric temperature? Atmospheric temperature refers to how hot or cold the air is at a place. With an increases in temperature, air expands and becomes light and subsequently less pressure. On the other hand, cold air is dense and heavier, hence it exerts more pressure. Number 2, name the 4 pressure belts found on Earth. There are 4 major pressure belts on the Earth. These are as follows. Number 1, equatorial low pressure belt, 5 degree north to 5 degree south. Number 2, subtropical high pressure belt, 30 degree north to 35 degree north and 30 degree south to 35 degree south. Number 3, subpolar low pressure belt, 60 degree north to 65 degree north and 60 degree south to 65 degree south. Number 4, polar high pressure belts, 90 degree north and 90 degree south. Number 3, what are local winds? Give examples. Local winds blow over small areas for a short span of time. They change their speed and direction frequently. Most of these winds are seasonal winds. They cause a sudden increase or decrease in temperature and have local names. Some local winds are Lu in India, Chinook in North America, Fuen in Europe and Harmattan in Africa. Number 4, what factors influence the temperature of a place? Besides insolation, there are many other factors that affect the temperature of a place. They are latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, prevailing ocean currents. Number 5, what is precipitation? Write its main forms. When condensation of water vapor takes place continuously, minute droplets of water are formed. On joining together, these droplets become bigger and heavier. When they become too heavy to float, they come down in the form of rain and snow. This process is called precipitation. The main forms of precipitation are rain, drizzle, snow, sleet, and hail. Okay, next one, number E. Answer the questions in detail. Number 1. Name the 3 heat zones and describe each briefly. The earth is divided into 3 heat zones: torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. Torrid zone. It is the region between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This region receives the direct vertical rays of the sun for almost the whole year. Therefore, this zone gets a maximum heat from the sun and also known as the hottest zone. Number 2, temperate zone. This zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. This zone gets the slanting rays of the sun as the angle of the sun's rays goes to decreasing towards the poles. Thus this zone experiences moderate temperature, neither very hot nor very cold. Number 3, frigid zone. The frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, and between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. This zone is known as polar region since it receives the extreme slanting rays of the sun. The temperature is extremely low throughout the year. This is the reason why the polar regions are generally covered with ice. Okay. Next one, number 2. What is condensation? What are its various forms? Describe each of them. Condensation is a process by which water vapor in the air is changed into liquid. The various forms of the condensation are clouds, fog, dew, and frost. Okay, number 1, clouds. Clouds are made of tiny droplets of liquid water that have condensed from water vapor in the atmosphere. Fog. When condensation takes place at the lower layer of the atmosphere close to the land or above water bodies, fog is formed. Dew. It is formed when moist air comes into contact with cold surface and condenses into droplets of air. Frost. When the temperature drops below the freezing point, dew or water vapor condenses to form ice crystals called frost. Number 3, describe convectional, orographic, and cyclonic rainfall. Convectional rainfall. When the energy of the sun hits up the earth's surface, there is an evaporation of water forming water vapor. The warm air above the land surface expands and rises. The arising warm air cools and condenses, forming cumulus clouds. This results in a rainfall known as convectional rainfall and is experienced in the equatorial region. Orographic rainfall. When a mountain or a hill comes in the way of moisture, land, and wind, the winds are forced to move upwards. At a greater height, the winds condense to form clouds which bring rain. This is called relief or orographic rain. The side of the mountain that faces the wind or the windward side gets heavy rain. The side of the mountain that does not faces the wind or the leeward side gets lesser or no rain. Cyclonic rainfall. Sometimes when warm and moist air rises, it meets a mass of cold air in a plane called front. The lighter warm air rises over the denser cold air. When this happens, a cyclonic storm occurs and the warm air condenses to bring down rain. This is called cyclonic or frontal rain. Okay, so the exercise questions are done. That's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.